Okay, so where are we headed?
Roswell today.
Okay.
Siobhan and John. These guys are from Boston, so they are brand new here, living in a short-term rental until they find a house that they want to purchase. Roswell really is a great area to live. Small town, southern charm, not too far from the city. No kids. Well, they have a dog. His name's Oliver. And dogs are babies too. Dogs are kids, so.
I just want to make sure that we can get everything that we want. Like, I want it to be something that just, like, knocks me off my feet.
Especially, too, like, if we're actually going to sacrifice being a little further from the city.
But it's our first home, so.
You're looking for, like, a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Okay. We're looking for a lot. I think we want a good yard for Oliver.
In addition to a nice-sized kitchen, we gotta have a good-sized bathroom so that John and I are not just sort of like living on top of each other.
Yeah, coming from Boston, we were just in a few different apartments there where we're like bumping elbows and on top of one another trying to share sinks.
He does have a really cool job, though.
What's that?
John designed strollers. Do you even know, as a mom, how certain strollers have changed my life?
You're talking to a full-on, hands-on dad here.
No,
so,
but
yeah, I get it.
I'm the stroller queen.
So what is their budget?
All in at $600K.
I mean, it seems like it should be reasonable, right? Like,
Maybe.
$600K in Atlanta is like a mansion compared to $600K in Boston.
Yes, I would agree. I mean, supposedly we can get something that's turnkey for our budget, but I mean, thus far it's been a bit of a challenging market.
That's true.
Well, this house does have quite a good-sized yard in the front and in the back for Oliver, but it's also on the main road.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Big,
really?
open, interesting front. I'm definitely not mad at this open area, though.
wow.
I mean,
So, let me just give you the lay of the land first. There are 4 bedrooms here. On this first level of the house, you're greeted with this fireside family room. You've got a guest bedroom off to the side of it. Down this hallway, you'll find your kitchen with an adjacent bathroom. And then at the end of the hallway is your primary bedroom with ensuite. And considering the house, they're asking $525 for it. That leaves you within your budget $75,000 to do some things.
the arch is definitely a little bit funny here.
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, it's definitely support, but I think it was partially support, and it was like, how can we support this and have a little design aspect that went wrong?
Okay, so just to be clear, it's not that you hate arches, you just don't like them blocking the entryway of the house.
Not loving that.
From the front door, literally.
No, it just closes off the space a lot. I do love this area, though.
yeah.
Like, this is great. Just like the really tall ceilings. There's just natural light, like, spilling into the house.
What about taking this out?
This may just be hiding the ductwork.
Okay.
So that is going to be a plus when it comes to the budget.
Yeah.
Thank God, because that is ugly.
So come on in, this is the kitchen, guys, which is a very nice size.
Okay.
It is.
I see some potential, is what I see.
You do?
Yes, I see some
Okay.
serious potential.
It just feels very closed off to me and kind of claustrophobic. I feel like we're missing that flood of natural light. I want something that's a little bit more modern, contemporary.
Mike's doing numbers. He's like, maybe.
Well, I'm thinking about the ways we can add some light to this dark kitchen. What we could do is take this wall out and move your island here. That would allow for a lot more light to come into this space.
Yeah, this is easy. Take the wall out, re-support it. This would allow for us to have the island. Oliver, vibe check. What do you think? What do you think? Do we keep going? So let's look at the primary suite then.
Okay. Ooh, wow.
Okay.
This is
then
very
a fireplace.
spacious. I didn't think about having a fireplace in a primary
bedroom.
suite, like
Yeah.
in the bedroom, but it could be a little romantic.
Yeah, it's nice and big in
Size-wise,
here.
this is great. I think this would fit like a king bed for us and like a nice size dresser. I'm actually starting to maybe like it a little bit more.
Okay.
Ooh, what is...
Interesting layout. I feel like I could do somersaults in here.
It's big, though.
This is wild, yeah.
Yeah, it's just like very awkward and weird. It's like all of this like open space and then this tiny, like how am I supposed to wash my hair in here? Like, like this is so small. And then why is this
What is that doing over there?
over here in the corner? It just doesn't make sense. It's not very cohesive.
You have such a huge bathroom space here. It's just not laid out properly, which is what's making you really hate it.
Wow. This is nice.
This is really nice.
I could have like my desk right here, and And I'd be able to see over like the whole entire house, which is nice.
And we also have the downstairs guest bedroom that could be doable as an office too.
Oh, John, these floors.
I'm feeling it under my feet. You can kind of see it too a little bit.
Oh my gosh, look at the planks. Like it's just all coming up. This is so bad.
Oh
Planks.
gosh, you can actually see
okay.
it. You can see it.
This feels like it was a DIY project. It feels as if there may be some water issues going on.
I can smell a little of that too, maybe.
So you definitely have to take care of the floors.
So floors are a yes. Taking the arch out, yes.
Yes.
Attacking kitchen, yes.
Yes.
And doing the bathroom.
Yes.
Yes.
Have a seat, have a seat. I got us all set up here. How's mommy and daddy doing, Oliver? Good?
He's keeping a good eye on us. We're doing good. Very excited. A little nervous, but mostly excited.
Well, this is actually the fun part, guys, where you actually can tell me the look and the feel of your house, essentially. And I was thinking, based upon some of the inspirations you sent me, that we would go modern earth. I wanted to bring a lot of warmth into it. Everywhere you look, it's just nothing traditional about it.
Oh, I love that.
Does that feel good?
Yes.
I think that fits with the house really well.
We're gonna start with the kitchen because to me, the kitchen is the heart of the home and it sets the tone. So here are some cabinet styles and colors.
What do you think,
Tell
Oliver?
me which direction you'd like to go.
I like
I
this
like
one.
it.
Yeah. I think that this is just a little bit too dark.
It feels too heavy for
Yeah.
you? Okay, this was my personal favorite.
Okay.
Then this is going to be the counter. And I was thinking what we could do in your kitchen is run a super island down the middle. You like
Yes.
that idea?
Yes.
That sounds exciting. We can have a whole party on the island.
Incredible.
Fantastic. Okay, so we've got our kitchen. It's very warm.
Yeah.
Love it.
Now let's talk about the primary suite bath.
I love this if we're talking bathrooms.
What is it you love about it?
If I'm thinking about a bathroom, like clean, smooth, polished.
Okay, so then let's get the rough tile out of here.
I actually like the rough.
Okay.
You do?
I do.
Okay.
I like the textures. Honestly, I think that this is probably my preference. I love the pumice texture. I love how that feels. It's very spa vibe.
So we could actually use the polished and use the pumice style, as you've described, stone. But let me show you something here. So we could utilize this. It gives you the texture, but maybe you're not walking on the texture. Because after a while on your feet, that maybe would not feel as good.
That's fair.
I can see
Okay,
that.
Yeah.
so we'd use this maybe on the back wall, maybe even in a smaller shape in a brick pattern. And then on the vanity, we'll accomplish your smooth look with this white slab over a modern floating vanity. And then we can elevate this whole spa-like feel with a freestanding tub.
I'm loving that.
Which is what we're looking for.
Yeah, this feels spa.
Okay, so this is what we're doing for your kitchen. We'll start with this soft wood tone for your cabinets. We're gonna run this all along the island.
Okay.
And then I'm thinking we'll run it behind the stove with a lime wash arch behind the hood for added interest.
That sounds beautiful.
Okay, and then our bathroom, we'll start by reconfiguring your bathroom to make it more functional. That's the big problem in here. We'll install a floating vanity with a white Calcutta gold countertop and run gray pumice stone in a brick pattern up the backsplash. Then we'll elevate the spa-like feel with a freestanding tub. And we just about have ourselves a house.
Oh my goodness.
This is beautiful.
It's my turn now. Time to get in here with my guys and get this demo started.
This is all gonna come out. I've already marked it. I got the guys already starting on the floors in the owner's suite.
Okay. What are we doing with the staircase as far as the rails?
Staircase itself, it stays, but the railings, we're gonna put in glass. Obviously, we're gonna open this up, get rid of the ductwork, see how much of a load we got going on here.
There's definitely something in there.
Oh, I know it is.
It's
I
some
know it is.
support.
Actually, not too bad. So far, so good. Get this all cleared out, and then we tackle this fireplace. Should be good.
The kitchen and bathroom have been gutted and that annoying archway is gone, leaving us with pipes and electrical to reroute. Luckily, removing the floors revealed no damage. But I just got a call from Uncle Mark that we found a much bigger issue behind the fireplace.
Wow.
That's rot.
I knew it. Something didn't sit right with me when we were taking out the floors.
Yeah.
I was around the fireplace area and it felt damp. Now that I'm seeing this, I knew that there were issues coming from the roof.
Yeah, there was definitely signs of moisture on the bottom. Wow, it's a lot of rot.
I knew it. And I guarantee you it's coming from the flashing around the chimney.
Yeah, I'll agree.
You know what I mean?
If it's coming from that, it's coming all the way down the wall, down to the base plate.
Yeah. I mean, look at the one in the back here. Yeah, it's all gone.
That's rot.
We're gonna have to redo that entire framing.
I go in to reach for the wood and it just crumbles, which means this has been going on for quite some time.
Good thing we were actually taking that fireplace out in the first place, right?
Exactly. But I need to dig a little bit deeper to see if there's any issues with the roofing, is there any issues with the flashing?
We're gonna have to take that whole stack out, take those top 2 plates out, and just reframe the whole face of it.
Yeah, I'm just hoping it's not as damaged as we may think it is.
Okay.
See how far that goes.
That's the design budget flying out the window. Bye.
Bye. Over at the house, we got things moving along. We've got the new framing going up in the living room and bathroom. And the cabinets have just arrived for the kitchen.
You know, usually when your cabinets arrive, you know you're in the home stretch. The island is gonna be 12 feet.
That's long.
But it's gonna be a skinnier island. It's only about 3 feet.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we could actually put a breakfast table right there.
Mm-hmm.
And then over here, I can get you to just build like a window bench. What?
Nothing good. I knew that was coming. I knew that was coming. You love throwing projects at me.
So, we fixed the roofing issue that was causing damage to the fireplace, and we have paint going up in the living room and the bedrooms.
Hey, y'all.
Hi.
Welcome
Yes.
home.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
So follow me.
Okay.
This is your new living room.
Oh my.
Oh my
Oh my God. The layout is completely changed.
Oh, I love it.
This is incredible. Oh my
Loving
God. It
all
is
of
so
the
open in
light,
here.
Right?
And how do you feel now about that obtrusive arch being gone?
I do not miss that archway at all. Like, this is stunning in the fixture. It's all so gorgeous. Oh my God, I love the fireplace. I love the wood around the fireplace.
Oh my God, Ollie, what do you think? It was like that cabin stone wall that went all the way up.
Behind there, we found a lot of water damage. And because we were able to do the fireplace, we were able to take care of that as well. So now we don't have to worry about any water damage in the future.
Amazing, it's
But
beautiful.
you guys didn't even look up.
My God. That is so much better.
Oh my God, I'm not gonna be able to keep my eyes dry. The skylights are gorgeous.
I mean, talk about open.
It's giving modern, it's giving earth.
Before we go and check out your kitchen, you might want to let Oliver down for this next place.
Yes.
Come on, Ollie, come on.
Really? Let's go, Bubba, come on.
Come on. Look at this, Oliver. What do you have? That's Oliver's retreat.
Look at his tail.
The latch is on the back.
He knows it's for him. Would you
Look, he's trying to get in there.
Oh my God, you have a little retreat.
I mean, Oliver helped us sell the house, and he didn't get a commission, so we had to give him a bedroom.
There you go.
I'm like through the roof. My God. Honey.
Wait a minute. Oh my God. Wow. I have no words.
This is beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
Do you remember what this kitchen used to look like? It was a peninsula,
Yeah. I
and
remember
then
that.
you did not have a pantry. And
Yeah.
that's a big problem for any
yeah.
house for me. So we utilized this wall space to give you tons of storage.
Oh my God.
That's so much storage.
Yes, it is.
This
Yes.
is gorgeous.
So look at this, a 6-seater island.
This looks so good. The countertop material, I like
Very
completely
elevated.
night and day from what we
We
have.
feel we were going for modern earth, and so it pulls the bronze in, which
Yeah.
warms the space up.
Yes.
Yeah, this is beautiful. This
Yeah.
whole area over here. This makes this so much more practical, it feels
Yes.
like.
Yes, I can see myself having many of tea and wine
Yes.
and just hanging out here. Oh my God. This is so nice.
Wow, this is beautiful.
This is gorgeous.
I know you work from home a lot, so is this giving you an environment where you feel inspired?
Oh my gosh, yeah, it's gonna be hard for me to close my laptop.
Oh my
gosh. Are you serious?
This is luxury.
What is this? This looks so gorgeous.
Well, this is what we call a subway style installation, but because I use the very same colored grout, it doesn't give you that farmhouse look. Instead, it's giving you that, you know, really clean, modern. But we bought the fluting from the kitchen in here too.
And the arch.
Oh, it's beautiful.
I love that.